Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your desktop is not responding or frozen on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Right click on the task bar over here and go to task manager, and here you want to search for file explorer guys. Scroll down, it will be down. File explorer, here is Windows Explorer. Right click on it, restart it, and see that get resolved the issue guys. That is processing. If not get resolved, update for your graphics card. So if you want to go on to the manufacturer's website, if you are using Nvidia and or Intel graphics card driver, you update that. So guys, that can fix the problem. That's why go to search menu, type device manager, open it. In here you need to expand the display adapter settings over here guys. Expand it, and I am using virtual machine guys, so I'm not having Intel or Nvidia graphics adapter over here, but you guys have Intel or Nvidia drivers over here. You need to right click on it and click on update driver, and you need to search automatically for drivers. Windows will search your computer for the best available drivers and install it on your device. Click on it, and that's it. The best driver for your device are already installed guys. I already installed it. If you install it guys, now Windows has determined that the best drivers for device already installed. They may have better drivers on Windows update. So on the device manufacturer's website, you go and check the manufacturer website guys. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.